Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today is Wednesday, June 17th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today was Fed Day, so we was a little bit of a slow, choppy day, as you can clearly see by the range here. This is where we opened, and we did get one good trade off. We had one break even or one tick loser or winner, depending on where the people got in and where it got off. Basically a break-even trade. One small winner here. We had an S play here. Was our first trade, 845, 2093. I said before we even got in the trade, I recognized this 94 area, 94, 94.50 area up here as potential trouble. I said that when they went up here, this was probably an overshoot. So I said you want to take more contracts off at a point, leave a runner, because we did have upside targets to see if they can get up here to this circle. I said if this fails here, it's likely going to come down. And of course that did happen on a slow drift. So anybody who's traded more than one lot would have made a point. Anybody who traded more than two would have made some money. Two might have had a break even. So small winner there of a point, best case scenario, times how many contracts you had. Then here we had an understanding trade at 933. I said that this was in the middle of a ZL. Okay, so I said I wanted this to go like right away. Basically the trade was here at 933. If we printed 90.50, try to get short 91 quarter. That happened, and when this thing pushed down, I said I wanted this to go immediately on this green candle. It actually sat around here for about 15-20 seconds where we had like a point of tick of profit, break even, whatever. I just said, look, the ZL started, let's get out of it. If the market goes up, we'll have a long. If it comes down, we'll have a short, because I was looking for this down here. I was looking for this move here to happen potentially here, even though we knew that, you know, that was a little bit risky. So basically a break even, maybe you made a tick, lost a tick, whatever, but that was basically a call off trade. And then when the market came back up, I said that we had a ZL up here, 2092, right here at this arrow here, 2092, 1006. I said if you want to wait for further confirmation in the trade, to make sure that they were in fact intending to go down to these two targets here, go ahead and wait and take the next opportunity, which would be the understanding trade again. This time I said if it got down to 90.50, I was just going to hit it at 90.75, maybe even 90.50 right in this area, because I was fully expecting it to go at least down to 89. I said if it got down below 89, it was going to go down to the 87 area, and I drew this line specifically saying that it was either going to stop at the 89 and we were going to close at 89 in the room, or it was going to make its way down to 87.50, 87 where it really wanted to go, and then drift up and close right around flat on the day, which is exactly what happened. And then of course it dropped further from there a little bit, but we had closed the room right there 3 or 4 or 5 minutes early when that happened, because there wasn't going to be, of course, any time to get into another trade. So basically one small winner here and one nice winner here from the 90.50 area to 89, which was a point and a half, and then down to 87. So 3-4 points in that trade, and that was the day. So we're going to come back again and do it tomorrow. We'll see what the afternoon has in store for the Fed, and see you guys tomorrow.